Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to create an outro in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to their official website, which is Wondershare Filmora, and download the actual application. Now when you do that, you just need to go and log into the application if you want, but it's not necessary. So guys, we got that out of the way. Let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the top left corner, we have the file option, edit, tools, view, export, and the help option. The export is not available at the moment because we don't have anything to export. Now also we have the media, audio, titles, transition, effects, elements, and split screen. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and create an outro in Filmora. Well, first of all, what you need to do is go and have a sample video here. So we'll drag a video that you want to go and edit to make an outro out of. When we have it here guys, you just need to put it there, and here the magic starts. Basically you can go and cut the video or your new outro by clicking Ctrl B, then clicking Ctrl B somewhere else and deleting it by clicking on the delete button, or you can go and click right click and delete here. So also you can go and add transition effects here by having, as you can see, fade effects, erase, whatever. You just need to go and drag the effects here onto the video. So these are transitions, but the effects are here. So basically you have the effects here. You can go click mirror, you can go click mosaic to go and blur something. You have a lot of options here, so you have to play with. And you have the elements where you can go and put some electricity, energy, or something like that to make it a better outro. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. And as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.